Alright, so for this situation, we're going to draw at least 5 dots for position, arrows for velocity on each dot. Let's do something different here. An object moves slowly at a constant speed to the right. So these are little tick marks, like along a ruler or a meter stick. It doesn't specifically matter where we start. As long as we have 1, 2, 3, I'm gonna put this guy right here, this guy right here, and this guy right here, and this guy right here, and you just can continue on. And if you'll notice, I'm trying to be so careful here. These lines will not get any longer, and the space between each one is going to be the same because we're moving at a constant speed. So there is no change in our speed. A change in our speed is called acceleration. None of that happening here. It's all just at one speed. It's the cars in the lab, the constant velocity lab. Every second it goes this 2 centimeters. That's all you really got to do for that. An object moves quickly at a constant speed. So now we're going to be doing the same thing, and just for ease, I'm going to write right on here, but you should have it above. If you put it on here, it's fine. As long as it makes sense to you, I think I will be happy. Ooh, I know. Let's make it bigger. There we go. So now we're moving quickly. Hey. So we've gone 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 ticks. So we're going to go 10 ticks. And then we're going to go 10 ticks. And I ran out of space. Better luck next time, Mr. Skapetis. We wanted 5 points. Make sure you have 5 points. And again, the big thing is that our arrows are the same length. So I'm kind of being sloppy about it because I don't know if you've ever used one of these little pens to write. It's tough. With the regular pencil, I feel like you can be a lot more precise and make these arrows the exact same. If I were not rushing and taking my time and doing this really super neatly, I would say, okay, I'm going to end my arrow right here, and I've gone over 2 tick marks. So each one of these I would go over 2 tick marks for each arrow. That way you know that they're the same size. Alright, an object moves to the right while speeding up. We are going to, I'm going to start right here so I don't get trapped again. Let's say we start out going to right here, and then the next second goes by and we go here, and then the next second goes by, and we're covering more and more ground after each second that goes by, is the point of this. Our velocity is increasing, so we can make our arrows increasingly larger, is the idea here, just to represent with our motion diagrams. Even bring this one out even more. Make sure your paper has five spots, because that's what the question says to do. An object moves to the left while slowing down. Alright, so now I started out with my object going pretty fast, so that way it leaves me room to slow down. This is all qualitative, there's no numbers involved. So you can see that that object is slowing down. Object moves to the left while speeding up. you get the idea with the arrows. I'm going to save some time and not have arrows in that one. Object moves to the right while slowing down. So we're going to start out going super fast, and then we're going to decrease the amount of space that is covered each time. So there you go. Object slowing down, object speeding up, dots close together, far apart.